Hello everyone, it's Kazimir and today we are going to open 3 packs of Primal Clash. So we are going to open 3 packs as this is Kyogre, this is Groudon and Groudon. So let's start with Kyogre. This is for it. Yeah. So this is the card. We'll keep this aside here. So start with Feebas, Stamin, Lancer. This is Tentacool, Masquerine, Staryu, Mapley, Slugma, Bisat, Corspix, and Reverse Hollow, Markargo. So average pulls, now we'll keep it aside. And open this ground John, which has ground John on front. And let's start with it. So let's cut it. And then going to keep this here and keep this aside. Like, don't show you, it's secret. So this is Marvel, Mudkip, Spear, Minatric, Nidoran, Machidem, Kakuna, and Reversalo Master. So the last pack now, which is Crown John on the front. Let's cut it. So wait for a second. Yeah, this side here. Oh, yes. So this is Manipuli, Vulpix, Tangela, Rhydon, Rapier, Marvel, Megizite, Rhyhorn, Bufflet, Crampiel, and Corpish. So here we got 3 reverse hollow. And yeah. So this were my 3 reverse hollow cards. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.